video is to speed up your system, and for that I use a technique called CPUS. So CPU you can easily learn, Central Processing Unit, and S is for speed. So CPUS does the complete overhaul of your system, and you can speed up any laptop, any computer within 5 minutes. So let's jump onto it. All we have to do is we have to press Windows X and go to settings. Here you have to go for clean, CLEAN. Okay, simply. So disk cleanup recommendations will come. Temporary files. So I'll go to the temporary files. I will, in download I have important files, so I will keep these, and other files I will remove. Okay, I will remove the other files. Then we will go with the second. P is performance. So we'll go for PERFORMANCE, performance, and click on adjust performance. Okay, best performance. You have to click on adjust for best performance first, and then just take a screenshot of this. Smooth this, show thumbnails, show shadow, show the mouse pointer. These are the 5 things which I'll keep on, and after that I will hit on apply. So these are the settings which I keep on the laptop. So this was it. Then we will go with the uninstall, okay. Add and remove programs. So whatever programs you don't need, like I don't need Adobe Character, I just downloaded the trial version. I don't need this. I don't need a lot of programs which are there, which you have installed somewhat in past. You can also sort it by date installed, sorted by the size, and you can do stuff, but you need to get rid of all the programs which you don't need. You later, if you want them, you can again install them, but get rid of all the programs which you don't need. Then last one is the most important one, which is startup, which I have optimized already. Startup. So it will give you startup apps. So these all the apps are the apps, they start automatically when your Windows starts, and they run in the background and they eat up your RAM. So I have switched off all these apps. 90% of the apps are switched off. Only the important ones. Bitdefender is an antivirus, which I have to, and CCleaner also I will switch it off. So my system takes like 3 to 4 seconds to reboot, 5 seconds to reboot, because I don't have any app which is hindering the process of booting or startup. So that's it. So you can switch off nearly all of them. You don't need them actually. OneDrive, yes, I keep on working on OneDrive aggressively, so that's what the reason I have switched it on. But you can go and play around, and yes, these are the 4 settings. If you will do these kind of 4 settings, then your system will work like a charm. And even after that, if it is not working, then you have to go for a hard reset. That is something which is out of scope of this video, but I will still tell you. Reset this PC, reset this particular option. If you will reinstall, this is gonna reset everything in your PC, and it will be brand new again, and of course it will run like a smooth baby again. So for that you have to back up your whole PC, and then you can go and choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So this will reinstall everything. It's like reformatting your system. So these are the few pointers. Make sure you run it every 15 days, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, and your system will work like a charm. Thank you, and subscribe if you want more tips like these. Thanks a lot.